How to fix music not showing in Messenger notes in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your open App Store and search here Messenger. Now first of all, update your Messenger. If your Messenger have any update, then here you can see the option update. After update your Messenger, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Messenger. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your Messenger app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.